You hear that outside, guys? It's fireworks. That only means one thing. It's bonfire night. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a little vlog, and we're gonna be setting off some fireworks tonight. So yeah, guys, it's getting pretty dark outside now. It was light earlier on, but it's actually getting pretty dark now, which is awesome. So that means the fireworks are starting. Let's have a look out the window. Oh yeah, it's actually getting pretty dark pretty fast now, which is awesome. The sun's gone down. The skies, I don't know if you can hear those fireworks starting. The fireworks are completely starting now. Oh yeah, it's a clean night too. Guys, it's gonna be awesome. Oh yeah, let's get this bonfire night started. Actually, you know, I need a better, I don't know why I did that. Yeah, let's get a better transition than that. I don't know if you can see me now. Fireworks are starting, let's go. Guys, there's a lot of fireworks out here tonight. This is just all fun in the distance.
What the hell happened to that?
What was that?
That was wicked.
Wow.
I don't really know.
I know.
Blow up in my face, is it going next to it? Did it go out the wall?
I don't know. Just spun once.
What about this? No good at fire seconds either. You good?
Oh, look at that one. Blue. Gold. Ooh. Oh, that's a nice one.
The pumpkins down there. Dang. Look at them pumpkins. Actually, those pumpkins look pretty cool. They look pretty damn cool. It's literally a firework display up the mountain right now. That is awesome. Try to zoom in onto that. if I go up on the bridge right here, then all around me I could just see fireworks. Like earlier on, you would see just like fireworks everywhere, you can still see them, but everywhere I look, like from over here, going all the way across here, it's just lit up with fireworks, which is awesome. And there's still some more fireworks to shoot off. Dude, this bonfire night is lit. Some fireworks going over there, but there was a firework display up the mountain too. Quite a lot of people going up the mountain. It's really awesome. Yeah, let's set some more fireworks off. What's this firework actually called? I don't even know. Gothic? Something? 19 shots. That's pretty dope. These are the air bombs. Damn. Cakes. They're awesome. Getting pretty quiet. Actually no, maybe not. There's still fireworks going off in the distance. There's fireworks everywhere. I think what time it is 9:42. Should be some fireworks still going. Guys, it's so freaking cold right now. Yeah, that was pretty much a lot of fireworks around. It's pretty much a lot of fireworks around here. And there's still loads going off right now. So I'll probably record some more if I can see any more. But yeah, that's the fireworks for now. So yeah guys, I think that's it now. I think the fireworks are actually over now. It's been a really fun night actually. And yeah, so I might have a look out the window right now. I might actually just look out the window. Just like, I doubt there's any more fireworks going off outside right now. No, doubt there's any more going off. No, it's completely quiet outside. Pretty creepy out there. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that like button because it's been a fun night. And it was actually fun to edit this vlog as well because I was just watching all the fireworks and stuff. So yeah, it's been really awesome, and I hope you did enjoy the video as well. There's always fireworks on the next day as well. There's always obviously Bonfire night, which is the 5th, and there's always fireworks on the 6th as well. So maybe I'll record some of that. I don't know about that, but so anyway guys, I'll see you in another vlog. Peace out.